John Cacchione here with Earthworks. Back to show you another really cool project. Right now we're just picking out some last minute stuff at the nursery. Got our design in hand, customers already left. We picked out some really cool cactuses and succulents type stuff because this job's at the beach. Just some other cool things about the job. Really cool people. A lot of the coquina we used, a lot of beach themed plants that will tolerate the drought, tolerate the salt and stuff that you get down there with the wind content. This thing's only a block from the beach. So you could throw a rock and you'd be there. So we have to think about all that. The customer really liked palms. He's moving from up north. So when you do that, you really want a palm or a citrus or something when you think Florida. So we incorporated a lot of that into his design as well. Some of the varieties we chose for the job, a lot of different echeverries, succulents, jatropha's, which bloom constantly throughout the year. A couple of different species of cacti that are really neat. This one in particular that spirals up as it goes. I made it a focal point on the corner so everybody sees that. And it's also a deterrent for people that want to park on their lawn. If you people live at the beach, you know about the easement and how difficult it is to even come home and have a parking spot because some people will just park right in your lawn. So we ixnayed all that with the cactus and the boulders and all the stuff we put out there. So Sylvester palms, a lot of cool European fan palms, a couple pygmy dates, a couple different kinds of rock and coquina too because the customer just wanted just to be easy because he's in and out of town. So that's just a really low maintenance landscape.
Got ready for you.
Make sure you get Paul Bunyan here.
Oh yeah, let me flex one time.
Yeah. Oh my God. You can be on the pond.
Getting a plan here to landscape the beach. We're just going to do this on our own, you know, kind of our gift to Jacksonville to beautify the beach, you know.
This is Kozman and welcome to a day in the life of Earthworks. We're here at the lovely Neptune Beach doing a little landscaping. Actually, we're doing a lot of landscaping. Had a large tear out at this lovely beach home and they actually picked Earthworks to come and make it even more beautiful. So that's what we're doing. Come on. So when we first started, we basically had to do a tear out. We brought in palm trees. We got a double robellini in the back. I'll show you that a little bit later on. And if you notice, we did a little something different. This customer wanted to be unique, and we're all about taking your property to the next level. So normally we would use mulch maybe. This time we use coquina. So if you look very closely, you'll see this isn't sand. I need to show you a close-up. Check that out. Yeah, the good stuff. So anyway, let's go to the back. Let's show you what we did in the back. Before we leave, you'll see an after picture a little bit later on, but this is all gonna be coquina in here. And we're gonna take it all the way down the property line. We're gonna finish staking this tree today. And right now in the back, we're actually doing a little rock. So you can come and check that out. This is a complete makeover. None of this was in when we first started. And if you see, you'll see the rock in the back. We're coming all the way down the side here. We finished this area already, and we actually did another type of rock on the other side. I can show you that too. The homeowner wanted to basically take his existing driveway and expand it. So what we did was we brought in this. And as we turn the corner here, you'll see he went from having a small driveway to a space that he could actually put maybe about 2 or 3 cars in now. So a process like this usually takes about, I'd say about 5 days. It took us a little bit longer because we like to do things the right way by the book, and so took the paperwork a little bit longer to come through, and as soon as the paperwork came through, came back out to the job site, and we're finishing today.
Well, we finished up the job, guys, at the beach. It turned out awesome. I couldn't say better things about the clients and the Earthworks crew out there. You guys killed it. Koz, man, you're the man. I know you guys are getting tired of all that rock and all that shell and boulders, but that's what the clients like, so I apologize. Just emphasizing on the plants again, guys, when you're in these areas where you get a lot of salt, a lot of wind, a lot of rain sometimes, you really gotta use the right plants. So that's what you can count on us doing. You can count on me doing that specifically. Get the right plants in the right zones. And just at this house, I've got almost a little microclimate in the backyard where I've got a tall fence and a tall house that would shield any air that would come back there with the salt content. So right then, I'll show you some other plants that are in that area that we wouldn't have been able to use in the front yard. So just that knowledge is important when you're gardening. So come to us, come to Earthworks, and come to John Cacchione. I don't mind helping you at all. Check us out on YouTube, check us out on Facebook. Any other way we can help you guys, just come see us face to face. We're not gonna charge you for that, man. So come on in, guys, and thanks again for watching.